four horsemen are things that the Gottman Institute and the Gottman couple found with observing thousands of couples for many, many years that predict relationship ruin, disconnection, and basically marriage or relationship breakup. So what they are criticism, contempt, defensiveness, and stonewalling. So I'll get through all of these either in this video or another video, but for now I want to focus on the first one, which is criticism. Criticism is about where you attack or put down a person's personality or character. So it's a personal thing. It includes name calling and basically negative name calling and insults. So it's like calling them stupid. It could be just even non-direct, like, oh, if only you had a brain. It could, which my dad did, or if you had a brain you'd be dangerous. Again, I know people did this. My dad, as well as various things like you're stupid, or you're ugly, or you're selfish, so and so. You know, it could be a combination of different words. It's a personal attack and put down. So this obviously is very destructive. And another one is when you the other part is when you imply that there's something wrong with the other person. So it's basically just like as if you're acting as if they're stupid, or they're crazy or ridiculous, or there's something wrong with them, that they're missing something, that they have a big character flaw or a problem. Just to quickly characterize what you can do properly, and that is to make a complaint, like a logical complaint that's not personal. It's not a name call, it's not an attack. It's basically like a formal complaint, like complaining to a shop. It's like, there was a fly in my soup. You state the facts. You don't say, you put a fly in my soup. You state the facts, there was a fly in my soup, and that made me feel like sad or stressed. And you say I need to have a soup that's clean. And in the context of a relationship, that could say, the dishes weren't done. It's not my turn. And I just need the counter and the board, the sink to be clear and clean for me or the next people, that's all. And it's optimal if you don't say you didn't do the dishes, or don't say you never do the dishes, or you always leave the place dirty, or don't use always or never. And don't start off with you, start off with the facts without telling the person. That's what the most successful relationships did. So you say the fact without a personal name, even though we all know who it was, of course, or who it wasn't, etc. It makes it a little bit more like gentle, or less sort of tender, and you state your need. So the facts combined with a need. So how you approach a conversation is called the startup. It's by far the most important thing, and that will really, the first few seconds will govern how the whole conversation will go. So it's kind of like you can just see the first few seconds, and then you know how it's all going to go. So how you approach a conversation is, make or break, win or lose the conversation. Either make or not make an argument, or get a solution or not get a solution. So yeah, that's super important there. So yeah, and that's pretty much what you do. You state your need, and yeah, that's that for this video. So don't do criticism, and I'll get into the other three horsemen in the future videos. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you'd like my 2 free books and 10 free video courses and all past replays of live group coaching calls, check out the links below, or the first in the description, or in the first pinned comment. And you'd like a free consultation with me for 15 minutes, there's also a link you can book that in too. And I'd love to be of help. And I also do not only relational or personal healing, but also health. And I have a herb store with 20% off first time subscribers. So any of these things to help you in your life. Okay, lots of love, have a lovely day, and thanks for watching this one and improving your life. Congratulations on taking the steps to improve your life for you and your loved ones and family.